Okay, we're working on this furnace here. It's a York rooftop unit. I just replaced the gas valve. The old one went bad. I'm going to show you guys how to set the gas pressure. Let's get into it. First things first, we're going to go to the manufacturer plate here. And we're going to look for manifold pressure right there. 3.5 inches of water column. So this is a two-stage gas valve. We got a low and a high. So there's W1 and W2. So to stage up, we're going to set W2 or high stage for 3.5 inches of water column. What we're first going to do is we're going to look for our plug. We got our inlet plug right there. If you look to the bottom, we got our outlet right there. We're going to take that bad boy right out. Already got it loose. Take that out. Then we're going to put our hose for our manometer in there. Let's get that finger tight. Just like that. And we're going to hook up our manometer. We got our hose connected. We're going to turn this manometer on. We're going to zero that out. And we're reading P1. Port 1, that's what one we're connected to. That makes sense, a little arrow for P1. P1, hose is connected to P1. So now we can fire up this unit. I got the 24 volts disconnected. Plug that back in. Should hear the inducer motor click. Should hear the igniter, and then the gas valve will come on and we can see our pressure. Okay, system just fired up. Running on low fire at 1.45 inches of water column. We're going to turn on high fire. So this is our call for stage 2. I'm just going to go jump this right out to our 24 volts. There we go. Now we have stage 2. Reading about 3.66 inches of water column. We're going to have to adjust that down a little bit, which is pretty simple. We got the low and the high, so low, high. We're going to take the cap off to the high port. We're going to back that off just a little bit to get our manufacturer spec of 3.5 inches of water column. Just take your flat head in here, crack this loose. Try not to drop it. There we go. Now back up in there, there's going to be another spot for a flathead. We're going to go counterclockwise to back off the pressure. It's very slight movements. Almost there. Okay, I like that. 3.52. 3.51, that's on the money right there. So we're going to put our cap back on there. These can always be a fun little adventure. That one went pretty good. You put that back in there. Check it, make sure it's good still. That's how you do it. So we're going to adjust it on high fire. So now that everything's set up perfectly, we're running on second stage at 3.49 inches of water column. I'm going to call it a day. And what I like to do is I like to just shut the gas off. And then I can take my hose off for my manometer. You can do this quick enough it won't fault out. Take that off. And then you get your plug back. Get that screwed in there. Then you can turn the gas back on and it'll fire right up. Now we do need to get that port nice and tight. So I like to use my service wrench here. So we'll get it on our service wrench. We'll go up in there and get this thing tight. Is this finger tight? There you go. That's how you do it. That's gonna be a wrap for today. Peace.